In the early morning hours of June 2nd, 2016, a meteorite entered our atmosphere in dramatic fashion. Traveling at over 40,000 miles per hour, several tons of rock exploded over the Apache Reservation in southeastern Arizona. And for a brief moment, the desert sky was brighter than 10 full moons. The event was captured by a low-cams array, and is the first time an event like this was captured and cataloged using this system. In Arizona State University's astronomy department, little time is wasted. A team of 6 scholars and scientists, in conjunction with White Mountain Apache Tribe, spent a cumulative 132 hours combing the desert for pieces of the meteor. 15 pieces of the rock were recovered by the team, and are estimated to be around 4.5 billion years old. Research back at the university also reveals that the meteor is what is known as a low-oxidation, low-metallic iron meteor from the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. The meteorite pieces are property of the tribe, but are cataloged and curated by the university in climate-controlled conditions so as to preserve them for future study. Events this significant are rare, and capturing them on film is even more rare still. Low-cams installations are already proving useful to researchers and scientists all over Arizona, and with an estimated 61,000 meteorites hitting Earth every year, it likely won't be the last time.